Deck building session with Jordan, Volume 1. This is Jordan, by the way, the puppy of the team. That's Jacob looking sumbitch. And over there, corner of despair. Okay. So, I think we've defaulted back to Monarch Synchro again for a third time. Salt exchanges, do you have those?
Salt exchanges? One. And there's two in your bottom.
There is, but I think one's good, because whenever I was playing deck, I kept on dead drawing those. Your spot? Or gracious host, Robbie.
I do believe you have that.
I kept.
Matt, you tell them about the Gesture Confidence.
Yeah, Gesture Confidence. It's Cyber Dragon. What was it? Light and Darkness Dragon.
It's a Cyber Dragon.
Is this yours?
Yes.
Light and Darkness Dragon. I would play it.
Run it? Really?
Yeah.
It's a 1-star special.
It's a Cyber Dragon. It is basically a Cyber Dragon. And look at those shiny Jaya Ballards. Look at it for.
Check this out, dude. It's in horrible condition, but it was gave to me.
What? Revised! A revised Draft of God! Oh my god, that is worth a whole grand total of 25 cents.
Yeah, I know. But it's amazing. I love it.
Foil Gnome Lion, that is what, $3 I think?
My cousin gave all three of those to me. I'll give that to me too.
Foil, I think is $3.
You haven't seen my Magic deck, have you?
Yeah, I have.
No, you haven't.
Yeah, I have. You showed it to me.
A full deck?
Yep.
I had to buy that 10 3 times just for those.
Why?
I love it.
Jordan, we may think is a pedophile. Look at that. No! Look at that beard. Look at it. He has a beard. The video quality sucks on this phone so damn much.
It's a phone.
It looks like it's a phone.
It's a ginormous phone.
Video quality is better whenever I edit and upload it.
Matt?
Yeah.
I have very weird combos.
No offense, but Jordan, we should definitely get back to, you know.
I know, I thought it was Cyber Valley, Thunder King are out on it, and Dark. I thought I had another soul exchange in there. You're not mine. Wait, what is Thunder King?
19.
Oh.
Unlimited.
Machine?
Thunder. Alright.
Thunder.
So, show me what you got right now.
Light and Darkness Dragon, Bottom Full, Mirror Force, Serenal, Marshmallow, Cyber, Caius, Liquid Moon, Lore, Mystic Tomato. Should I not side that?
I thought it was pretty dead whenever I had a shot at it. Like, it was either me summon Concentrate Light and hope to God they can't kill it, or have a fairly new full back plan. Actually, yeah, whenever we stop for breakfast in the morning, player interviews.
Cool. Wait, where are we stopping?
Probably McDonald's.
Hey Matt, is this yours?
No, that's Derek.
Okay.
Derek is in the corner of despair right now, and this is Luke. Corner of despair. It is currently almost 1:30. It is 1:23.
No. You guys don't. David told me to bring everything over there. You can do it while I play.
No, because that's the corner of despair.
Yeah, but I need my deck. And I had no idea what it wants to build.
But I say default back to my... Default back. Default. God damn it, Michael. Everyone watching this video, you've just fucking lost the game.
Nice one.
You know what? I'm gonna get a total of 2 views out of this. What?
Wait. Oh, that's not on my phone.
Oh, dark right. Yay, go.
Marshmallow, when you get down there?
1. Oh what? Oh yeah, purple one. Purple one. That one. That one. That one right there. That one right there. Throw it at him. Toss him. Hit him in the face. If there's stuff in there, get it out. It goes in the deck box.
Luke, pull up your pants.
Luke, your pants.
Pull up your pants now.
Seconds all exchange.
Huh?
I don't know what to do.
Luke.
Oh my god.
I've never ran secrets before.
Where's the Chaos Sorcerer, David?
Okay. Tomato, guys.
Probably not getting good at regional
Ultimately,
flip
I
stuff.
bring out a...
But macro wasn't doing anything.
I bring out...
We totally need Trent. Those two, you've got to count those.
I don't know what Trent is.
My move?
Luckily, Joe gave you these back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Morphing jar.
That's where my other first thing is. Or,
I got stuff.
wait, is morphing jar in there? That's why I couldn't find morphing jar.
I found this in your
Draw?
Am I that? Oh. Oh yeah.
Hold about it. Remember when I said I was missing like 2 cards?
I'm missing a lot more than 2. You could have had them.
Guys, it's almost officially elite o'clock. 7 seconds after 1.
And now I screw myself now. I need one more defender. Do you have a defender? I can screw myself so that
Don't you already have one?
I'll do one more.
There's
one out there. Oh, what? I hit, and I'm going to put it. 32. Here we go. No.
He is currently playing spellcasters over there. Michael in the far corner.
I know Michael plays spellcasters.
Take up the Treeborn Frogs, and if you're playing Ultimate Offer.
Main ones, side ones, in case it's on basically, this stack is shit that I found that I thought was the head decks, and everything.
Thunder King.
Yeah.
No,
God,
no. I forgot what that means. Kill it off.
What?
Kill it.
Alright, David, go on to bed, sexy. I'll join you.
Make it. Control.
But really,
And
where's your binder at? It's in your binder.
take this.
Oh no, David, I have extra ones.
What?
I have 2 out of 1.
It's 2. That's 2 presents. There's 3 presents in each color.
3 cards in here in each color.
Now, that's be hard.
Yes.
I have to go down.
No, I only have 1.
Big number 2 answer. Next battle. Nope, next attack.
Nothing.
This is Derek.
Hello.
Best Black Queen player in the group. Yeah, look at that.
Yeah, you're way
Sexy.
better than Luke.
Yeah, is that going somewhere?
Luke over there sucks. He sucks.
You
Probably
run
you can.
shield! Why?
Because no other
Problem?
play.
What?
He doesn't have 2 blizzards. He has 1.
How many blizzards do you run?
This is not going to run because I don't have to.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll care. I've been up and down this. I don't care. 4 hours.
David. Rescue cat. You got 2 X sabers.
Matt, recipe had the fact. What is it?
Hey Michael, toss me one of them
To
smooth
these guys are putting on like level 3 or lower or something, and then they go down after that area, but you sync with them and they go right to is that going somewhere?
I'm probably YouTube style now. I don't know. I have to edit because this is 11 minutes of nothing. Just me doing all this stupid stuff for camera because I'm bored.
Alright, you're good.